Good morning, welcome to another quick video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So Golf, £5,495, 1.6 TDI BlueMotion Tech SE start-stop manual, 115,000 miles, cam belt replaced, cam belt and water pump at 89,000 miles. Lots of service history, 9 services in total and just been serviced. MOT till the 11th of the 4th, 2025. Okay, so cam belt done, 89,000 miles, 9 services, 2 keys. So a full MOT, 2 keys, cam belt done, engine's running, lovely and quiet, drives beautifully, nice and clean inside and out. DAB radio, Bluetooth with music player, multifunction steering wheel, electronic handbrake, has the space saver spare wheel, which is always good. A lot of cars these days come without a spare wheel, with a can of tyre foam, which is no good if you get a puncture. Right, TDI BlueMotion, currently showing an average of 54 miles to the gallon. Paintwork looks to be original, nice car, nice wheels, nice tyres. A lot of Golf for £5,495 with this sort of service history, just been MOT'd, just been serviced, had the cam belt done, and drives really well. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, flat bottom multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, 115,000 miles, Bluetooth, DAB radio, music playback for your Bluetooth, driver's seat's not got holes in, got fitted mats. Lovely car that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again. You can watch nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. And if you subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube, then you will get a little notification every time we get a fresh car into stock. You'll be one of the first people to know about it. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.